Hello and welcome everybody to my new course of C# and Unity. In this course, we will be learning C# and the Unity engine. I highly recommend that you have a basic understanding on C++, and if you don't, it's okay, you can just check my first course on C++. By the way guys, I already created two Android games in the Google Play Store, and it is in Unity. It's designed and coded in Unity. And I'm creating my third one right now. And this one's gonna be the best of the bunch. Unity makes game making really simple. So there are two parts in making a game in Unity. The graphical part, the visual part, the character and stuff like that. And the coding part, what makes the character move, what makes it jump. So we'll be covering both of these parts in our tutorial series. And at the end, we're going to create a final game to see how and test our skills. Okay, so installing Unity is really easy. I'm not going to tell you that. But what I am going to say is during the installation, it's going to give you an option. Do you want to install Visual Basics with it? Make sure you check that, because that's what we're going to use to code our games. Okay, so once you open Unity, it's going to kind of look really difficult. What is this? What is that? But within a day, you're going to kind of get used to it, and the looks and feels will be really good to you. Okay, so I'm going to show you what all the different tabs are about, what they do, what they are, and so you can get really familiar with it. This is the first screen you're going to see when you run Unity. So let's start with the top left corner. Over here, you're going to see the hierarchy window. And whatever you see over here, like the main camera right here, it's going to show in the hierarchy. So whatever's on your screen is going to be shown on the hierarchy. Okay, so the scene window is the window that you're going to use the most. And in this window, any type of editing you want to do, any type of like moving, rotating, anything you want to do is going to happen in the scene window. And your final product will go inside the game window. As you can see, this camera over here, it's showing what the people can see in the game. Okay. So the asset manager is kind of like a Play Store. Do you know the Play Store on your phone? You can download apps, you can download new widgets and everything. In here you can download codes and skins for your Unity. And whatever you download is gonna come here in the package manager. Okay, so the inspector window, or you can also call it kind of like the properties window, is which what will happen is all the little stuff and information about an object in the scene window is shown over here. Like let's say the position, the color or something. It's gonna be shown in the inspector window. It's kind of like the properties of it. So next is the console window, and the console window will basically show you the logs and the errors that will be in your scripts and stuff, right? But if you don't see any of these windows, you can always just go to the window panel and in the general, and you will see these windows that I'm talking about. So next is the project window. And in the project window, you could bring your own new assets or anything, like a image or another script that you coded in another game. So yeah. Any files from your computer like music or anything, you could also bring in here. So the animation and the animator tabs are both connected. And what you can do over here is create an animation like a cube moving or something. And you can bring it over here and you can connect it with other stuff. I understand this kind of sounds confusing, but don't worry, it's really simple when you understand. Once you see it, you will understand. So that was all for today. Make sure to stick along on this journey and learn C# and Unity. So that was all for today. I have a few more subscribers. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Every like makes me want to upload another video. Goodbye.